A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 11th class, subject Botany. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, our today's topic is status of viroids. Dear students, we have discussed the viruses. Now today we will throw light upon the status of viroids. Viroids, viroids. Now regarding these viroids, these are tiny naked molecules of RNA, only a few hundred nucleotides long, that are important infectious disease agents in plants. So dear students, these viroids, you should remember, these are tiny naked molecules of RNA. They are only few hundred nucleotides long and are very much important for spreading the infectious diseases in plants. They are infectious pathogens that affect only plants. Therefore, they are also called as the plant pathogens. Mostly, these viroids infect the plants and cause different types of diseases in them. So, having this quality, they are called the plant pathogens. These viroids were first discovered by a scientist whose name was T.O. Diner in the year 1971. So these are first discovered by T.O. Diner. The name of the scientist was T.O. Diner, who have discovered these viroids in the year 1971. It was first examined in the potato spindle tuber viroid that caused a huge loss to the potato industry. It was first examined, that means this viroid was first examined in the potato spindle tuber viroid that caused a huge loss to the potato industry. A recent viroid outbreak killed over 10 million coconut palms in Philippines. So you should remember here that the infectious diseases caused by these viroids are very dangerous, as the recent study reveals that the viroid outbreak in Philippines killed over 10 million coconut palms. It is not clear how viroid cause disease. The cause of the disease is not known yet. That means how these viroids cause the diseases in plants is not known yet. One clue how these viroids cause diseases or infection in the plants, one clue about the causing of diseases is that viroid nucleotide sequence resembles the sequence of introns with ribosomal RNA genes. These sequences are capable of catalyzing the destruction of chromosomal integrity. Now, the diseases caused by viroids in plants. Dear students, the diseases that are caused by the infection of viroid in plants include number 1, citrus exocotis. Citrus exocotis. This is the name of the disease which is produced in plants by the viroids, and you should remember this disease caused by viroids in plants by the infection of the viroid in plants. Number 1 is the citrus exocotis. Number 2, cucumber pale fruit. Cucumber pale fruit is the another disease caused in plants. Number third, chrysanthemum satant. Chrysanthemum satant. These are the different types of diseases which are caused by viroids in plants. The only disease that is caused by viroids in humans, that means in human beings, the only disease caused by these viroids is called the hepatitis D. Hepatitis D. Now the symptoms caused by viroids in plants. It means that when the diseases are or before the diseases are caused in the viroids or the disease after the disease is caused in the viroids, what will be the symptoms of these viroids in plants? The symptoms that are caused by the infection of viroid in plants include number one, stunting of growth. That means the development in growth is retarded. That means the growth does not take place or occur in the plants. Number second, stem necrosis. The stem becomes thin and this does not grow or the shows the this limited growth. Number third symptom is the deformation of the leaves and fruits. It means we know that the leaves and the leaves of the plants are green in color, but their green color is changed and the leaves and fruits become stunted and their color is changed. That means the deformation of the leaves and fruits is occur in plants. So this was all about the today's lecture status of viroids and the diseases caused by viroids in plants. Now in our next lecture we will study the general characters or the characteristic features of these viroids, and that we will deal tomorrow inshallah in our next lecture. Till tomorrow, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.